Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Air Sport Mode. How fast will it go? Let's find out. Coming up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI, before we even had our chance to take a look and hold the Mavic Air, told us that it was going to be faster than the Mavic. So today what I did was I got it on the sport mode and put it through its paces to see how fast it would go. So let's take a look here. Okay, one of the things that the Mavic Air is kind of known for is currently it's faster than the DJI Mavic Pro. So we're going to get into sport mode and see how fast we can get this thing going here. So
take off.
We're going to get it up to about, I like getting up to about maybe 80 feet or so here. Okay, we're at about 80 feet. I am going to turn it into sport mode. It is in sport mode, so let's take a look and see. Wow! This thing is insane how fast it's going. I mean, it's just unbelievably fast. Wow. Wow. That was just, wow. I'm going to turn it back off of sport mode. Get it to come home.
Go home.
Of course, it'll be a nice leisurely trip home here compared to the trip going out. But that sport mode, that was just insanely fast. Absolutely insanely fast. This after some pretty fast shots, so that's incredible. Of course, you know, you might have issues with your gimbal and so forth upon that, but yeah, that was pretty incredible. I was very impressed. I'm as impressed with the speed as it was normally, and with it in sport mode, it's just it's insanity how fast it went. Absolute pure insanity. I just can't believe that. And we got the Mavic Air coming in for a nice landing right now. We should be landing on target here, or close to it. That was an incredible speed test. Absolutely loved it. Wow. It blew me away how fast it was. It was fast without sport mode. And with sport mode, it's just insanely fast. Just incredible. It was just so fast. I mean, really had to keep a good eye on it out there. That just blew me away. And I think probably one of the things that has impressed me the most about this drone, even in non-sport mode, is how fast it is. It's fast, it's nimble, it's very responsive. Just some added free bonus content on this video here. If you like if you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about our channel. Also want to give a shout out to Florida Drone Supply, Janelle. Again, we can't thank you enough for this opportunity to put the Mavic Air through its paces. This has just been an incredible opportunity. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you live in the state of Florida, you need anything DJI drone supply related, please make sure you check them out. Their link will definitely be in the description so you can check them out. Also, we've recently passed 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much for coming on board with Bill the Drone Reviewer. Please pass the word on. Also, check out our Facebook page where I do post daily updates on anything in the drone industry. Also, anything DJI related will get there, of course. Be sure to check out my blog where I post updates, and also all these videos go out there so everybody can get notified that the videos are available. Thanks again for watching, and happy flying.